It really don't take you guys long to figure out we got a new toy. Well, it's partially my fault because I put it in a short the other day. So I picked up this golf cart for my wife. Now, today's video is going to be about it's slow and I think we have a fix for it. And we're going to test that fix. But first, I know you guys are wondering and you'll want to know about the golf cart. So, you guys remember the U4 600 that I did in the other video the other day? I traded everything I did to that for this. I gave him the parts, I gave him the labor, the clutch kit, and I got this. This needed batteries. We did put batteries in it, and he got me a charger for it and everything, and charged it up. It's fantastic. It has a lift kit. I don't know a lot about it. It's got some nice Krager wheels and everything. I'd say the wheels don't really match the cart, but they look good. And of course, I'm going to leave it. It's for my wife. She likes it the way it is. It's going to stay that way. So, what we gave that guy for this non-running golf cart, we put brand new batteries in it. He got a R.N.G performance full clutch kit. He got a stereo, a front light bar, 2 LED pods for the rear, and we wired it with the 8-gang switch panel that we sell on our website, www.rngperformance.net. So it was a pretty even trade for everything with the value and everything. So let's go take this for a ride and see how fast it is, and then we're going to show you the mod, and then we're going to see how fast it is again. We're going to use the GPS app. So we're using this GPS app. Let's get this thing backed out and see. I'm gonna just set it there. The only thing I have is either uphill or downhill. We're gonna go uphill just so nobody says we're cheating. We're gonna go uphill, pedal to the metal. 9 miles an hour. Let's go downhill now. So let's go up here and install our mod, and we'll do it uphill and back downhill, see if we gained or see if I got scammed. So we have to put this new tone ring on the motor. This is the speed sensor, and this changes it. We're gonna find out if basically we got scammed or if this really does it. Now, I've never done these. I've always just done the tuners and stuff, but I figured for 25 bucks, I'll have a link below if it works. If it works and then we get 3 to 5 miles an hour out of it, that's a win. So let's try that. So what we got to access is right here on the back of the motor, this speed sensor. We're gonna have to pull out these two 8mm bolts. Once we got those 2 bolts out, that cap will just literally fall off. Now I want to take off this 10mm right there. So in case you're wondering what they look like, this one here is the aftermarket. This one here is the stock. I really don't know what the difference is other than the stock one has 4 marks on it, but so does this one. It's got 4 marks on it as well, so I don't know, but they are obviously different. So let's get it put back on there. It just goes right like that. Let's see if I can do this one-handed or not. Let's see. Put it up there. Get it on there. We'll get it tightened down. Alright, so it comes with one new sensor. This is the new one, that's the old one. We are going to keep this old one just in case we ever have any problems. At least I know that stuff does work. It's just slow. So when you tighten these, They just need to go just a little snug. All right there, that's good. And we'll get that plugged in. We'll go for a ride. All right, uphill test right now. Wow. It's a little faster than what it was. 14 mile an hour uphill versus the 9 that we got. All right, let's do the downhill. Let's do another uphill. Well, I can safely say we did not get scammed. That actually worked. Holy crapazola. We got 25 downhill that I seen. I'll have to check the app, but I seen 25 downhill, and what I see 16 uphill. Well, I had to double check, but you guys seen it. You guys see it. So that is definitely a big gain for $25. I'll have a link down in the video description below and in the comments section. So I want to thank you guys. And that was also with a half flat tire. Imagine that. So we're gonna end it here. I want to thank you guys for watching. We'll have some more golf cart upgrade videos, I'm sure. Whatever my wife wants to do, we'll do it. If you want to see something done to it, let me know. Peace out and God bless. We'll see you guys in the next one.